driving from St. Thomas to Toronto. It's close to 2 hours. From Toronto, I'm gonna take Air Canada to Calgary tonight. Gonna be midnight there. I look at Kijiji and look like it's a airplane Cessna 172 from 1956. It's one of the first models they did, square tail, tricycle, and looked like it's a good price. It's disassembled, the wings are off, everything interior is off too, but the owner says that it's working and the engine is in on condition. That means it requires overhaul, but you can still run it a couple of years if it's a good compression. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. And I have all day to take some pictures, update it, and let you know what's the plan with Cessna. See ya. Okay. I'm in 2 hours of Calgary. I don't remember what's the name. Visual inspection looks good. Some spots underneath the belly it corroded, and I think one of the parts in the belly it's corroded. Probably has to be changed. 1956. It's a lot of corrosion in the belly and some in the tail. Places when moisture goes and stay there. And in general, it's a nice plane, but we'll see what the engine says. So we run it up and we go from there. Has all avionics, but they have two nice radios. One radio Garmin and one a GPS, and one encoder Garmin too. Clear. Okay, an update for the Cessna 172. It's that I went back Saturday morning, and the corrosion in the belly was too much. It's a lot of stringers and web has to be replaced. You don't find that for 1956 Cessnas, always very expensive. The guy was looking, I give an offer very close to what he's looking for, and he's like, okay, I'm gonna think about it. But then I have to talk with my friends who are the ones who normally take care of my engine, and they say that they need to overhaul. This plane was sitting for so long that they need to be address this, and that particularly airplane or engine is going to be so expensive because it's a old model, you know? It's a lot of magnesium parts and that corroded. The corrosion in the belly, man, this, the webs and the stringers, it has to be replaced right away. And if you add that, the price plus my time, because it's very expensive. The guy was in denial, of course. He said, you don't NDT if you don't gonna replace if you don't NDT, but are you kidding me? And you will see these pictures, it's corrosion beyond limits. And I know because I did a lot of corrosion in Halifax. Okay, keep looking, and tonight, work. Traffic in Toronto.